Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Data Boy channel, and this is the fourth video, I think, the fourth video in our MySQL series. And then in our last class, we learned how to filter data using where, using the logical operators and not, and the not keyword now. You know that not keyword now. So today we are going deeper by learning how to sort values like columns using the order by, and then using limits as well to show the top and the bottom, like the top highest, the top low, and the bottom highest, top 5 by ranking columns. You want to get the top 5 customers. Let's say in the customer data set, I want to get the top 5 customers by the total amount spent, or the least 5 customers by the total amount spent. That is the total amount, the customers that spend the least, the top 5 customers that spend the least, the bottom 5 customers that spend the least, and then the top 5 customers that spend the most. Do you get? And then we show if we want to remove duplicates, we can also use to remove duplicate values, like using the distinct values. We'll also talk about that. We can also remove duplicate values, return only unique values using the distinct keyword. Do you get what I'm saying? So so you see all of them, the application and all of them. So these three, they are operations and are very important in data analytics, and especially when you are working with good real world data set like customer data sets, and you can return the best selling product as the top 5 products that have the most sales, and then your unique customer behaviors. You want to bring unique customers that purchase the more unique customers that have the most purchase. So you can use in many various ways. Do you get what I'm saying? So the first thing first, we're going to use the order by. So let me just order by. Okay. So now I want to select everything from our data set, which is the Watson rubbish. Do you get what I'm saying? So now I want to order by the age. Sorry, this distinct age is showing. I'll explain that. I just showed it. I was testing when I was practicing. So I want to order by the age. I think the age. I'll show you the full data set. This is the data set. Select everything from the data set from Watson. Okay. So this is the full data set. That's the age. So we're working with the age and the distance from home. So we want to order by distance from in ascending. So customers that have the most, from the least age, want to return the employees that have the least age to the highest age. Do you get what I'm saying? So literally order by it. So this is it from 18. Can you see 18, 19, 20, and then it advances. And then you can also order by customers from the most age, from the highest age to the lowest age, using this descending. First, we use ascending. That's from the least to the most, and then we descending is from the most to the least. That's easy as that. So start from here, 60, 59, as you can see. Then it reduces. So that's literally how it works. Because we're ordering by the age, returning customers by the age. Now we can also order by multiple columns, like the age and the distance. So let's say we want to order the data sets by the age, employees by the age, and the employees that have the least distance from home to the most distance from home. So we are ascending in age and then ascending in the least distance from home, in the distance from home. So age, we now do comma, then you write this is the column. So how do you want to show that? So ascending, right? Or should we show the least customers that have the most distance from home? Like the lowest customers by age that have the most distance from home. So this should be it. As you can see, this is just how it happened. 14, 10. So we are ordering by ordering the distance from home in descending order, and then the age in ascending order. So in ages 18, all the ages 18, it's ordered. It brought out the most distance from home that falls under age 18. Do you get? Then the next is 10 kilometer, 8 kilometers, as you can see. And then in ages 19, it brought out the first, the one with the most distance from home, till the one with the least distance from home. As you can see, that's how it works. Order by does a lot of things, very beautiful things, used to order column. You get from the top to the bottom or from the bottom to the top. So that's literally how you can use it. Now, limits. Let me do limits. Sorry about this. Limits. So limit returns the top or the bottom, like the top 5, the top 10, bottom 10, least 5. Do you get what I'm saying? Now I want to bring out the customer's distance from home. So let me just copy this. See, I'll paste it here. I want to return the employees that have the top 10 employees that have the most distance from home. So you just come here, having written these ones, you just write limit. Top 10 employees that have the most, top 10. That shows limits. You can write top 200, top 500. So, as you can see, this is top 10. 10 is not enough. As you can see, all of them falls on that. All of them are 29. They have 29 kilometers. So let's say top 70. Top 70 should give us something nice. Alright. This is still showing 20. Okay, see 28 now. From the most to the least. 27. That's how it continues down. If you want to limit it to top 250, to return it fair and square. Do you see? Top 250. 20, you have up until 20. So that's just how it works. Shows you the top. And then if you want to do bottom, just change that descending to ascending. It's literally, that's how it just works. So, want to do bottom. They have the least, the ones that have the least distance from home. The least distance from home. Starting from the least to the most. And returning 25. I see just the one values of 1. As you can see, 2, which is the next. If you go to top 300 out of 400, you might see something intriguing there. 1. Is that just 1 kilometer? 2. See 2. Stop at 2. Go to top 500. 500. I want it to return 3. I've played with my data sets. Should return 3 already. Okay, see, 3 are shown. So 1, 2, 3, that's how it does. Advances from the least to the smallest, to the biggest rather. From the least to the most. So that's literally how it works. Limits for limiting, like, shows you the top or the least. Do you get what I'm saying? Now, this thing is used for removing duplicate values. This thing removes duplicate values. So it's like saying, sorry about this. You can say select distinct age. Then from the data set, from Watson, rubbish. Yep. And let's try this. So this shows distinct ages. As you can see, these are distinct ages, 41, 49, 37. These are unique ages. You don't have more than 41 here. You have more than 141, and you don't have 41 appearing more than once here. If you want to show that this works, I will just create a code, or a query that can bring out employees that fall under age 41. So let me just show you. Select everything from the dataset, Watson dataset, where age is equal to 41. This should go. As you can see, you have more than one. How many customers here? If you want to even show their numbers, it will show. So you have more than, these are all the customers that fall under ages 41. 1, 2, 3. If you want to count them, you can still keep counting, literally looking like top 3 youngest female by their age. You get in the data set, and then female, where gender is equal to female. So remember, so that's literally, I don't want to give you the whole gist, but drop your answers in the comment section, and I'll reply to all answers, all correct answers. Thank you. Thank you for staying with me throughout this class. Like and subscribe to my channel. Then follow up on these videos. Hit the notification bell to always receive updates from me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for staying. God bless.